Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now we're always looking to make something quick and simple, especially when we are very hungry or if kids come back from school, they are really hungry and they want something really nice to eat. Today I'm going to share my version of this Korean street toast, which is not only delicious but it's also very simple and easy to make. Let's get started and check it out. So first we're going to make the mixture for the omelette. To a bowl, crack open 2 eggs. So I'm just going to season the eggs first with a little bit of salt. It's a little less than 1/4 teaspoon and just a little bit of pepper. I'm adding a little bit of chili flakes, but this is entirely optional. Next, start adding all the vegetables. First I'm adding a handful of thinly shredded cabbage. Next I'm adding a handful of thinly sliced carrot juliennes. To this add some spring onion greens, also adding some spring onion whites. So once you've added all the elements that go into making the omelette, just mix everything using a fork. So you can see the vegetables are beautifully coated with that egg. There you go, the omelette mixture is ready. Keep this aside. To toast the bread slices, take a slice of bread, apply the butter on one side. Now heat the tawa, add a little butter on the tawa and spread it across evenly. Place the other side onto the tawa and toast it on medium-low flame. So we're going to toast it slowly, you don't want to burn the bread. Once it's toasted and it comes to a lovely golden brown color, gently flip it to the other side. Now you need to toast the bread on medium flame so it's nice and crispy on both sides. So you can see how beautifully the bread is toasted. It's got that lovely crunch. You can listen to that nice crispy texture. Once you've toasted the bread slices, keep it aside. Now let's start making the omelette. Heat a tawa. Just add some butter on top of the tawa. Make sure you spread it around it. Now gently pour a ladle of the egg mixture and you can shape the omelette to a nice rectangular shape. So you can just see how I'm doing this. If you don't seem to be getting this rectangle shape, don't worry about it. You can make 2 separate small omelettes and you can put it together. Once it's cooked on one side, gently flip it to the other side. Maintain the flame on a medium while making the omelette. Cut it into half. I'm placing a slice of cheese on one half of the omelette. Leave the cheese on the omelette for a few seconds just till it melts. Now place the other half on top and remove the omelette from the tawa. Now that we have the toasted bread and the omelette ready, let's assemble the Korean toast. Take 2 toasted bread slices. On one slice, I'm adding the tomato ketchup. On the other one, I'm adding the mayo. Now place the cheese omelette on one of the slices and gently close the sandwich. Now you can just cut into half and enjoy these delicious Korean street toasts. Nice and hot. They are crispy and delicious. You can see the sauces and the cheese just literally oozing out. It's best enjoyed as soon as you make them when they are still warm. Well, I'm a big fan of these toasts and I can't wait to take a big bite of that. Oh, look at that, so yummy. Oh wow, the flavors are just amazing. The combination of the egg, cheese, of course, ketchup, mayo, and the toast. Who wouldn't like this? Tell me. Perfect. So there's a wonderful toast recipe that you guys can just whip up in minutes. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.